Alright guys, welcome back to our Fixer Upper 5, and today we're going to go over 5 different ways you can help prevent or recover from knee pain. 25% of Americans approximately deal with some sort of knee pain, and that's just because there's so much that can actually go wrong with your knee. You can get hurt a bunch of different ways from doing that, whether it's a chronic or overuse injury or an acute injury like a torn meniscus or a torn ligament. There's just a lot of ways that you can get hurt. Your knees can be hurt. So today we wanted to show you some simple ways to help prevent knee pain, but then also help recover if you do have some lingering or new knee pain. And here they are. So when trying to strengthen your knee, it's best to stick to closed chain exercises. And those are exercises in which your feet stay on the ground. You also want to make sure that when you're doing any kind of exercise, it's the hips that are doing the motion and not the knees that are moving forward and backward. Straight leg raises are another great way to provide stability to your knee. You want to make sure your quad is nice and tight and your knee is straight. And you can do these in multiple directions, providing some force and some tension to the knee, making sure it stays strong. Light aerobic activity can also help strengthen the knees. And when you're battling either an acute or chronic knee injury, it's certainly okay to do a low impact aerobic activity like the elliptical or a recumbent bike. So for relief, once you've just injured your knee, you want to follow the RICE protocol, and that is rest, ice, compress, and elevate that leg to get as much inflammation out of there as possible. This will decrease your pain significantly and help you on your healing process. If you have a nagging or chronic knee injury, you might want to look into doing some more different therapies. Maybe it's a physical therapy, maybe it's acupuncture, maybe it's massage. Anything to help that knee feel a little bit better. It's okay to try multiple different things. One of the best things you can do for chronic knee pain is use a TENS unit, and that will help decrease the pain using electrical stimulation around the area. So there are some tips to help you navigate knee pain. Don't let knee pain derail you from reaching your goals. Thank you so much for watching this video and hanging out with us for a little bit. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and a share. Look for more videos coming from Fixer Upper to help you reach your goals. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you next time.